I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the induction cooktop and its 10,000 watt burner, and about the time it takes this thing to boil a gallon of water. That's a gallon, a lot of water. But trust me, this is going to be short. Let's start the clock. What makes this one different is battery operated. That solves two real problems. One, if you cook on gas right now, you don't have to rewire your kitchen for a big electrical circuit. It runs off the battery on a standard outlet. Two, when the power goes out, you can still cook. Impulse says about 3 meals on a charge. So if a nor'easter takes the grid down, you're still making dinner. That's the one thing nothing else in the market can do. Got existing 240? You can wire it that way too. Your call. Now the battery is smart about when it fills up. You can set it to charge at about 2 in the morning when your electric rate is the lowest. It updates its own software like your phone does. For this category, or any category, that's new. And the knobs come off. They're magnetic. Pull one straight off, the glass is flat. No crevices, no holes you can never reach. Wipe the whole thing in one pass. Underneath it all, this is induction cooktop, so it simmers like one. Now the problem is, first the price. This is a $7,000 cooktop. 7,000 watt runs around $4,400. So you're paying a lot more. The question is, do you need that kind of power? Second, no real griddle burner. Cook with a long pan, it'll be uneven. We'll cook one in another video and you'll see how much it matters. Third, this is heavy, 260 pounds. Make sure your cabinet can carry it. Those last two minors, these two are real ones. There's a lawsuit, a complete suit impulse over the battery technology. Might amount to nothing. You're buying from a company whose core idea is being fought over in court. And the big one, nobody knows what this battery does 5 or 10 years out. We ran 33,190 service calls just last year. We've never done one on a battery cooktop. Not because they don't break, because they never live long enough to find out. Now here's the one piece of good news. The battery is its own part. You can buy a replacement for around $1,000. So if it does go, you can at least get another. At least I think you can. Oof. So would I buy it? I'm not sure. But here's who should. You look at it. If you're converting from gas, this saves you rewiring. It's maybe $3,000 you don't need to spend running a new circuit. Like with any new technology, just know the risks are real. So is the reward. You cook like this even when the power's out. There's the gallon. That's the impulse. Wow. The other thing, this boils over. On gas, it doesn't boil over. How's that, huh? See, gas won't boil it over. This will if I leave it on. That's a gallon of water. Take the magnet if you want to shut it off.